now I'm back, and we're going to be doing some interviews with a Brooklyn paper. And just completing this journey. I thank everybody for staying with me, keeping the faith with me, praying for me, and I'm just going to continue to make you guys proud. Alright? God bless. Coney Island, baby. Home of the Warriors.